Hello. Hello. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Last topic we are discussing about wood anatomy. Okay. Wood anatomy. That is last topic. Okay. We are studied different types of wood. Okay. The study of growth ring is called dendrochronology. Okay. The study of growth rings is called dendrochronology, and wood shows two regions, that is sapwood and hardwood. Okay, hardwood region and sapwood region. Next, hardwood is very important to the plant, that is support to the plant growth, giving a mechanical strength at the time of growth and development. And sapwood is participated in conduction of water and minerals. Okay, hardwood is very important in the quality of type timber and wood. Okay, preparation of different types of items. Okay, giving very durability. Okay, in the items, that is furniture, etc., etc., etc. We have studied about different types of plant yield, wood yielding plants also. Okay, wood yielding plants, that is different plants is there in our, according to in our syllabus. We are studying about 5 plants. Okay, we are studying 5 plants. Okay, tylosis also we are studied. Tylosis is very important to the hard material, that is hardwood. Okay, close the conduction of any conduction of different materials. Okay, stacking in the intracellular spaces, and secreted different types of resins and materials, resins, gums. Okay, that is called resin canal. Okay. Next, plants. Plants also studied. That is, first one is teak, Tectona grandis. Tectona grandis plant is belongs to Verbenaceae family. Okay, Tectona grandis is belongs to Verbenaceae family. Okay, Verbenaceae family. Common name is teak. Okay, common name is teak. The second wood yielding plant, that is Dalbergia latifolia. Dalbergia latifolia. And the common name is Jitregi. Okay, plant name is Jitregi. Jitregi plant belongs to the which family? That is Fabaceae family. Okay, Fabaceae family. Next, Petrocarpus santalinus. Petrocarpus santalinus, that is red sanders or lal chandan. Common name. This plant is belongs to Fabaceae family. The common name is red sander or lal chandan. Petrocarpus santalinus. And fourth one is Terminalia Tamantosa. Terminalia Tamantosa. Common name, that is Nalla Madhi. Common name Nalla Madhi. Terminalia Tamantosa. Common name Nalla Madhi. Terminalia Tamantosa belongs to Cumbertaceae family. Belongs to Cumbertaceae family. Fifth one is Azadiracta indica. Azadiracta indica. Common name neem. Vernacular name or common name, the local name, that is neem, vepa, or Nimba. Okay, all these are belongs to Azadiracta indica vernacular names. Okay, Azadiracta indica belongs to Meliaceae family. Azadiracta indica belongs to Meliaceae family. All these plants shows teak wood, hardwood and sapwood. Okay, hardwood and sapwood. Okay, growth rings are present. Growth rings are present in all these plants. Okay, growth rings are present, and hardwood shows thick color, sapwood shows light in color. We have studied hardwood and sapwood differences also. Okay, and tylosis very important in wood quality. Very important in wood quality. This is the information of wood yielding plants. That is five important plants according to our syllabus. And today our topic, that is plant taxonomy. Plant taxonomy is today first topic. Plant taxonomy is a very good topic. Okay, taxonomy means arrangement. Okay, systematic arrangement. Taxonomy means systematic arrangement of plants or animals. Okay, plants or animals. That is taxonomy. Okay, taxonomy means systematic arrangement. Systematic arrangement or description on variation among organisms in order to come out with a classification system. Okay, and taxonomy began about 300 years before. 300 years before. Okay, by Theophrastus. Okay, Theophrastus. His timings 370 to 285 BC. 370 to 285 BC. But more work on this classification or taxonomy. The scientist name is Carolus van Linnaeus. He is father of taxonomy. He is a father of taxonomy. He is regarded as the founder. Okay, founder of taxonomy. Founder of taxonomy. Timings 1707 to 1778. 1707 to 1778. That is the importance, the timing of Carolus van Linnaeus. Okay, the black tree, this is belongs to black tree unit 7, principles of plant taxonomy and nomenclature. Nomenclature. Okay, what is the importance of plant taxonomy? To arrange elements or taxa, okay, of plants into a more systematic manner, so that they can be better understood and could be used easily, more effectively. Okay, to arrange data or information, knowledge about the plant. Okay, indicate distribution and habitat plant on earth and their benefits. Okay, this is the importance. Okay, importance. Okay, to indicate the source and genetic relationship, that is phylogenetic. Genetic relationship is called phylogenetic. The ancestry and origin of plants. This is the importance of plant taxonomy to arrangement of systematic manner. To arrangement of systematic manner. Okay. Next, some of taxonomic components is there. Some of the uh, taxonomic components is there. That is classification and identification, nomenclature, and description. These four commonly called taxonomic components. Taxonomic components, that is classification, identification, nomenclature, and description. Nomenclature and description. Okay. Classification. Okay. Classification. The plants are arranged into groups of similar characters. Okay. The groups are considered as category. Okay. Plant groups considered as categories or taxa.
Taxa.
Okay. Hello?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Taxa. Next, some of the codes also developed at the time of taxonomic research. That is development of botanical code. Development of botanical code. That is the scientist name is Gaspard Bahin. Gaspard Bahin, 1623. Okay, timing 1623. Gaspard Bahin introduced the concept of botanical nomenclature. Botanical nomenclature under the name of species consists of two parts, that is species, genus, and species. Okay. Next, identification. Okay. Identification. Okay. Some places, first we are observed different types of taxa or group of plants. First classification, then second go to identification. Okay. To identify and derive the name of organism by referring to an existing classification. Okay, belongs to which classification we are thinking at the time of observing. That is identification. Identification. Next, nomenclature. Okay, nomenclature to provide a scientific name to an organism. Okay, at that time we are giving some names, scientific names. Okay, scientific name contains two parts, genus and species. Genus and species. That is nomenclature. And fourth one, fourth one, that is description. Okay, description. Okay, the whole plant information. Okay, described here. That is to describe the characteristics of taxa or family or plant. Okay, family or plant. Okay, all these are belongs to taxonomic component. Okay, all these are belongs to taxonomic component. Gaspard Bahin introduced botanical nomenclature. Okay. Carolus van Linnaeus described different types of species and genus. He wrote a book, that is Species Plantarum. The early rules of nomenclature were set forth by Linnaeus. His Critica Botanica, 1783. Okay. Further amplified Philosophia Botanica. Okay. In different years, Uh, Summits also conducted worldwide. That is year of summit in 1863. Okay, the informal name is Laws of Botanical Nomenclature. Okay, that summit proposed botanical nomenclature. And 1905, 1905, the summit describes different rules. That is Vienna rules. Vienna rules. And 1935, Cambridge rules. And 1952, Stockholm Code. Stockholm Code. 1969, Seattle Code. Seattle Code. 1975, Leningrad Code. And 81, Sydney Code. Okay, summit conducted in Sydney and proposed new rules. Okay, commonly called, that type of rules is commonly called Sydney rules in 1981. Sydney rules. Next, 1987, the proposed rules is the rules. The summit name is Berlin Code. Berlin Code. Informal name Berlin Code. Berlin Code. Next, 1993, Tokyo Code. Okay, 1999, that is St. Louis Code. 2005, Vienna Code, again conducted in Vienna. Okay, Vienna, 1905 and 2005, two times. Next, 2011, Melbourne Code. 2017, 2017, Shenzhen Code. Okay, Shenzhen Code. Next, A.P. Decondole in his Theories Elementae de la Botanica, in his book, okay, described different rules. 1813. Okay, A.P. Decondole, his book is the Theories Elementae de la Botanica. Okay, described. Okay, next, Paris Code is very important. The first International Botanical Congress held. First International Botanical Congress held in Paris. Okay, that is called Paris Code. Okay, that is called Paris Code in the year of 1867. Also known as Decondole Rule was adopted. Okay, Decondole Rule was adopted. Okay, all these are the information of development of botanical code. Okay, development of botanical code. Next, taxonomic components for classification, identification, nomenclature, and description. Classification, identification, nomenclature, and description. Okay, development of botanical code 1867 to 2007. Okay, all these are the botanical code development hierarchy. Okay, the next one is the systematic taxonomic system. Taxonomic system. Okay, the whole kingdom, that is divided into two parts. That is uh, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Again, plant kingdom divided into divisions. Animal kingdom, phylums. Okay, Both division and phylums again divided into class, order, family, genus, species. Okay, class, order, family, genus, and species. Next, what is the kingdom? Okay, what is the plant kingdom? Okay, kingdom. Okay, the highest level in classification. Kingdom, highest level. Kingdom is the highest level in classification system. Example, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Kingdom is highest level in classification. Highest level in classification. Example, animal and plant kingdom. Both kingdoms. Next, divisions. Divisions. The number of groups. Group means plant groups and animal groups. Okay. In this taxon is not fixed. Okay. Taxon not fixed. It depends on the classification system. It depends on the classification system. Next, based on similar characters. Okay. One plant shows similar characters. Two plants shows similar characters. That time observed on a few elements or organs. That time observed few elements or organs. Okay, few elements or organs. Example, a dominance of sporophyte to a gametophyte. Dominance to a dominance of sporophyte to gametophyte. A presence of an ovule and seed formation, several other morphological, several other morphological and anatomical characteristics. Okay, the time observing different types of morphological and morphological characters and anatomical characters we are observed. Morphological, anatomical characters we are observed. That is division. And that is division. And those are hereditary characters also. Okay, hereditary characters and will contribute to exist from generation to generation. Generation to generation. That is the information of divisions. Next, class. Okay, divisions. Next, a class. The number of groups in this taxon. The number of groups in this taxon is also not fixed. Depend on the classification system. Separation is based on important basic differences that exist between the group. Okay, exist between two groups. That is class. Number of groups in this taxon, in this category. Okay, that is class. Next, order. Separation is based on more convincing genetic relationship which earlier had been detected at the classes and division level. That is order. Order is separation is based on more convincing genetic relationship. That is order. Next, family, genus, species is there. Okay. Family based on more characters. Okay. Based on more characters. Okay. One family contain different similar characters in this family. Okay. Based on more characteristics compared to compared to order. Class and division example, the characteristics morphological characteristics of reproductive organs. Okay, that is inflorescence, ovary position, inflorescence, ovary position, placentation, number of pistils and carpels, type of ovules and androecium. Okay, we are observing different morphological characters, okay, of reproductive organs. That is inflorescence, ovary position, placentation, number of pistils and carpels, types of ovule and androecium. Okay, family and more characteristics compared to other. That is family. Next, genus. Okay, phylogenetically, new genus arise and separate from the same parental origin. That is genus. Phylogenetically. Okay, genetical relationship means genetic relationship. Genus, genus involves more similar characteristics, include a closer family relationship, but they do not cross. If hybrid cross does not occur, the offsprings are normally fertile or will not survive. This genus. Okay, genus. Next, kingdom. Okay, next, kingdom. That is plant kingdom. Different scientists shows different categories. Okay, first one is Whittaker classification. Okay, Whittaker classification. Okay, Whittaker classification. See here, Whittaker classification. The plant kingdom divided into 5 categories by Whittaker. Okay, 5 categories by Whittaker. That is Whittaker classification. Okay, that is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Monera, Protista, Plantae, Animalia. In Monera group, okay, in Monera group, adding bacteria and prokaryotic cell. Bacteria, prokaryotic cell. In Protista group, algae, protozoans, and eukaryotic cells and are organisms. Next, fungi. Okay, fungi In fungi, the group, the fungi group, organisms, food habits is very different. Absorbed food in liquid form. Okay, fungi absorbed food in liquid form. Next, plantae. Okay, plantae. In these plants, in this group, recognized all photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Plant shows all plant photosynthesis. That is plant group that is called plantae. Okay, all plants prepare in this process food material. That is, the process is called photosynthesis. Okay, it is called photosynthesis. And next, Animalia. Okay, in this Animalia group, Whitaker recognized all animals are digested food system. Okay, digested food system or ingest food. Okay, Whitaker classification 5 categories. That is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Monera group shows bacteria, prokaryotic cell. Protista, algae, protozoa, eukaryotic cell. Next, fungi shows absorbed food in liquid form. Fungi. Next, plantae group shows all photosynthetic plants. Okay, they are producing own food material in the process is called, that process is called photosynthesis. Next, Animalia ingest food. That is the Whitaker classification. Next, division. Okay, in division, Bryophyta. Okay, Bryophyta means mosses, non-vascular plants. Okay, this category plants shows vasculars, means xylem and phloem. Next, Pteridophyta. Okay, Pteridophyta plants, that is ferns, vascular plants. Okay, shows spores on leaves. That is Pteridophyta. Next, ginkgo. Ginkgo group, the ginkgo biloba group, that is living fossil. Okay, that is fan-shaped leaves. Ginkgo biloba. Next, Psychedophyta. Okay, this category, all cycads. Okay, palm-like trees. Next, Genophyta, Neatum, vessel-filled wood. It is Genophyta. Next, Magnoliophyta are flowering plants, very important in the classification. That is Magnoliophyta. Okay, Magnoliophyta means flowering plants. Again, divided into two categories. That is dicots and monocots. Dicots and monocots. Next, plant kingdom, Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta means seeded plants. Spermatophyta divisions give seeded plants. And Pteridophyta. Okay, Spermatophyta and Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta belongs to fern group. Okay? All ferns are belongs to Pteridophyta group. Next, Bryophyta. Bryophyta already discussed. Bryophyta commonly called masses group. Masses group. That is Bryophyta. Next, Thallophyta. Okay, all lower class plants. Thallophyta. Plant with thallus. That is called Thallophyta. Thallophyta. All these are the plant kingdom divisions. Next, Spermatophyta are seeded plants. Spermatophyta are seeded plants. Okay, Spermatophyta, seeded plants. Angiosperms, again divided into angiosperms and gymnosperms. Okay, angiosperms, gymnosperms. Next, angiosperms divided into two categories, that is dicotyledons and second one is monocotyledons. Di and mono. Next, dicotyledons shows different plants. That is Euphorbiaceae, Solanaceae, Leguminosae, Cruciferae, and Rutaceae. Final Malvaceae, and Cucurbitaceae also. Malvaceae, Cucurbitaceae. All these are belongs to dicotyledons. Okay, dicotyledons. Next, monocotyledons. Dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Okay, in monocotyledons, form a group. Okay, Graminae, Graminae, Musaceae, Gingiberaceae, Orchidaceae, Cyperaceae. Okay, all these are belongs to monocot groups. Okay, monocot groups. Next, families with alternate names also there. That is traditional and new names. For example, Cruciferae. Okay, Cruciferae. The alternate name is Brassicaceae. Cruciferae, alternate or new name, that is Brassicaceae. Okay. Next, Leguminosae. Leguminosae. The common name or alternative name is Fabaceae. Leguminosae is an old name, traditional name. The alternate name is Fabaceae. Next, Umbelliferae. Umbelliferae. The common name is Apiaceae. Next, Compositae. Compositae. Modern name is alternate. Asteraceae. Next, Labiatae. Common name is Lamiaceae. Palmae. Common name is Ericaceae. Next, Graminae. Poaceae. Common, sorry, alternate name is Poaceae. Okay, all these are traditional names and alternate names. Traditional names, alternate names. For example, Musa paradisiaca classification. Okay, that is first category or hierarchy is plant kingdom, plante. Okay, plante shows all types of plants. Okay, in our classification system. Okay, next category, that is division. Okay, that is division. Magnoliophyta. Okay, kingdom plante, and division is Magnoliophyta or Spermatophyta. Next class is there. Next category group class, that is lil monocotyledons, Liliopsida class. Next order Gingiberaceae, order Gingiberaceae, and family Musaceae. The plant and the family is Musaceae. Genus Musa. Okay, genus Musa. Musa, and species Musa acuminata. Musa acuminata. This is the classification of banana. And next one is ending of each taxa. Taxa means group of plants, that is division, class, order, family, subfamily, genus, species. Okay, that is ending. Okay, ending you used which word? Okay, which word? Identification of the classification level, including kingdom, genus, species. For example, okay, divisions end with phyta. Divisions end with phyta. Okay, next class end with Opsida. Opsida or EAE, that is uh, class ends. Okay, kingdom ends with Bioneta, Chlorobioneta. Division Phyta ends with Phyta. Subdivision Phytina. For example, Pteridophytina. Okay, class ends with Opsida. Opsida means, for example, Magnoliopsida. Okay, Magnoliopsida. Okay, order. No, sorry, class. Okay, third one is order. Order is Alis. For example, Rosalis. Okay, suborder Inae. Inae. Other Rosinae. Next, family. Family ends with ACEAE. ACEAE or AE. Family. For example, Rosaceae, Mimosaceae. Okay, Umbelliferaceae. It is ends of family. Next, uh, next, subfamily Oidae. Okay, subfamily Oidae. For example, Rosidae. Rosidae. Next, tribe, subtribe also there, but no need importance. Okay. Next, final genus. Okay, genus. That is UM, AM, UM, US, UM, is, A, on. Okay, US, UM, is, A, and that is ending of genus. For example, Pyrus, Allium, Arabis, Rosa, next Phylopogon, Phylopogon. Next species, species. The example Rosanna cunning, Rosanna cunning. That is the example of ending categories. Okay, species Rosanna. That is the example of each ending of each taxon for the identification of classification level. Classification levels. Next, sub super category. Sub super category. Sub super category shows seven main categories. Okay, there are infra-taxa to describe variation within taxon. That is kingdom, division, class, order, family, family. Next, species. Okay. Next, all these are the seven main categories. Okay. Next, what is the species? Species, variety, subvariety. That is the species is lost or ending part. Species. Next, ecologies. Wait. That is seven main categories. Next one is subspecies and varieties based on morphological variations. Okay, that can be identified within species as a result of adoption to different ecologies. Okay, these subspecies. Next, classification. The concept of classification or trends, modern trends in concept of species. Okay, that is morphological concept. Okay, morphological concept and uh, biological concept trends in taxonomy. Okay, concepts is there, morphological and biological species concept. Next one is, okay, two concepts is there, that is morphological and biological concept, morphological and biological concept. In morphological concept, species is a smallest group of organisms. Okay, species is the last taxon in taxonomic hierarchy. In taxonomic hierarchy, that is species. Okay, smallest group of organisms which can be consistently differentiated using morphological characters, using different morphology. Okay, shape and structure and color, all these are belongs to morphological characters. Okay, and concept widely used among the all different taxonomists. Okay, in most, it is the most practical. Second one is uh, biological concept. Second one is biological concept. Using reproductive biology to define species. Using reproductive biology. Okay, using reproductive biology. Okay, different types of reproduction systems they are studied. Okay, population group which is able to breed but prevent from genetic exchange with population of other species. Okay, two different organisms in between. Okay, that is the biological species concept.
Concept.
Okay, hello.
Okay, sir.
Now next concept, and that is last concept is in our syllabus, that is biological concept. Okay, used in this biological concept, what criteria? Reproductive organs or reproductive biology. Okay, some of the organisms shows self-pollinated species. Okay, self-pollinated species or asexually reproduced species. Okay, in this biological species concept, some of the self-pollinated species or asexually reproduced species is there. That is, which do not undergo crossing. Crossing means not exchange the genetic material. Okay, that is self-pollination nature. Okay, not transported or exchange of genetic material. That is the biological species. Self-pollination, in self-pollination, not exchange genetic material, only sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, transferred or exchanged genetic material. That is importance between two systems in reproductive biology. Next, classification systems. We have four classification systems is there, that is artificial, natural, and phylogenetics. Recently joined mechanical system. Okay, artificial, natural, phylogenetic is uh, very important. Recently added mechanical system. Okay, artificial taxonomy classification system. Artificial taxonomic system, that is proposed by Theophrastus, okay, and Linnaeus also. Okay, Theophrastus, his timing is 300 BC to AD 1500, and Greece scientist Dioscorides, that is artificial. Next, Linnaeus also, Albert Magnus, German scientist, all are belongs to artificial system of classification. First, Theophrastus described herbs, shrubs, subherbs, subherbs, and shrubs. Finally, trees. That is the flowering and non-flowering plants according to flowering and non-flowering plants. Shrubs, subshrubs, trees. This is the Theophrastus classification. Next, Albert Magnus recognized for the first time monocots and dicots. Albert Magnus identified first time monocots and dicots. Next, Linnaeus. Okay, Linnaeus, Carolus von Linnaeus, is the famous scientist, Swedish scientist, and famous taxonomist, also known as father of taxonomy, created sexual type of classification. Means he is identified by flowering plants. Okay, flowering plants, divided plants into 24 classes based in large part on the number, union, and length of stamens. Number, union, length of stamens based on flowering pots. Okay, that's why commonly called sexual system of classification. This is artificial classification. The next one is a mechanical classification system based on one or few chosen characters. Okay, scientist name Cisalpino, Italy, and Bohin, Swiss, and Linnaeus also, and Sweden scientists. It is mechanical support, but they are not famous classification. Second, third one is natural system of classification is very important. Okay, a large number of morphological characters were taken into consideration in the natural system of classification. Okay, the most important system of classification of seed plant was proposed by British botanist Bentham and Hooker. Bentham and Hooker. Bentham, Hooker, George Bentham, 1800 to 1884, and Joseph Dalton Hooker, 1870 to 1911. They are described in Genera Plantarum in natural system of classification. And they are recognized 97,205 species belongs to 7,569 genera of families of flowering plants. Okay, genera of flowering plant. That is natural system of classification. And August Weismann and German botanist, okay, Elcher modified the former system of reflect. Next one is Jello, phylogenetic classification. Phylogenetic system of classification based on evolution, based on evolutionary interpretations. The plant's evolution system, okay, which type of conditions at the time of evolutions they are studied. Engler and Hutchinson, Engler, Prandtl, Hutchinson, based on evolutionary sequences as well as genetic relationship, among different group of plants. Okay, that is phylogenetic relationship. That is the phylogenetic relationship. Next, nomenclature shows different types of codes is there. That is ICBN rules. Okay, ICBN rules, that is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Okay, published by IAPT, International Association of Plant Taxonomy. Okay, next, Binanial nomenclature and Trinomial nomenclature also there. The scientific name based on the binomial system. Binomial system. Okay, popularized by Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, consists of two parts, that is genus and species. Okay, two parts. For example, Oryza sativa, Oryza species sativa, Oryza genus sativa species. The end point giving a capital letter, first capital letter, that is L. L is Linnaeus, scientist name. Scientist name reflected at the end of scientific name. That is L. Here, Oryza sativa L. Okay, that is the information of binomial nomenclature. Okay, and trinomial also there. Some plant shows, that is Brassica oleracea vercapitata. Brassica oleracea vercapitata. Okay, this is the information of plant taxonomy. Okay, next class we are discussing about different types of families. Families contain number of plants and some recent development techniques or trends in taxonomy. Okay, that is next class. Okay, thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, tomorrow class is there, same time. Tomorrow class is very
Okay, sir.
easy. That is the families, family
Families
types.
of types.
Families, economic importance. Which type
Economic
of
importance
plant
of
is
families.
economic importance of plant? Which plant is very important? Which plant is belongs to giving different types of medicinal values, timber values. Okay, the type of plant is belongs to which family? Okay, this type of information
Okay.
we are studied tomorrow. Okay, okay, students.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now time up. Now.
Thank you, sir.